Have you ever said everything right, done everything right, and still watched her lose interest right in front of you? You replay the conversation later, over and over, wondering what you missed, wondering why she felt distant, cold, almost like she was there, but not really there. You tried being nice, you tried being interesting, you tried being funny, and somehow none of it landed the way you hoped. It feels confusing, frustrating, almost unfair, because deep down you know you're not a bad guy, you just don't know what actually works. And here's the part no one tells you. Attraction doesn't come from saying more words. It comes from saying the right ones. I'm going to show you 2 simple words today. Just 2. That can completely shift how she feels around you. But I'll warn you now, the final piece of this is incredibly powerful. It can change everything fast, and almost no one uses it correctly. I'm here with you, and this is Her Emotional Secrets, where we uncover the real psychology that creates desire. Now listen carefully, because this was never your fault. Nobody taught you this. You weren't failing because you lacked confidence. You weren't failing because you weren't good enough. You were just doing things in the wrong order. That's it. A sequencing error. Most men try to impress first and connect later. But female attraction works the opposite way. She feels first. Then she justifies it later. If the emotion isn't there, nothing you say logically will fix it. And that's where these 2 words come in. They're not magic. They're a trigger. They unlock something deeper in her mind. Something instinctive. Something she doesn't even consciously realize is happening. To understand why, you need to see how attraction actually works. Your brain and hers are built on shortcuts, ancient patterns, evolutionary signals. She's constantly scanning, not for perfection, but for emotional cues. Strength, presence, mystery, attention. Signals that say, this man is different, not chasing, not needy, not trying to win her, just grounded. And when she feels that, something shifts. She leans in. She invests. She wants to understand you. So instead of trying harder, you learn to signal better. And these 2 words do exactly that. But they only work when you combine them with the right behaviors, the right energy, the right frame. So let's break it down. The first trigger is masculine presence. This isn't about looks. It's not about height. It's about grounded energy, the way you hold yourself, the way you speak slowly instead of rushing, the way you're comfortable with silence. Imagine you're talking to her, and instead of filling every gap, you pause. You look at her. You let the moment breathe. That's presence. And when you finally speak, you say something simple like, I noticed. That's one of the 2 words. I noticed. It's calm. It's observant. It shows awareness without trying too hard. And instantly, she feels seen. Not chased, seen, and that's powerful. The second trigger is emotional challenge. Most men agree with everything she says. They try to be liked. But attraction grows through polarity, through a slight push and pull, playful tension. So when she says something predictable, you don't just nod. You smile slightly and say, I doubt it. Those are the 2 words. I doubt it. Not aggressive, not dismissive, just playful. Just enough to challenge her. Now she leans in. Now she wants to prove herself. Now she's engaged. Because you didn't give her easy validation. You gave her a reason to invest. Third trigger, selective attention. You have a life. You're not always available. You don't respond instantly every time because your time has value. So when you say, I noticed you like quiet places, it means something, because your attention isn't cheap, it's selective. And that creates scarcity. And scarcity creates attraction. If this is making sense so far, hit subscribe and join her Emotional Secrets community. It helps more men learn what they were never taught. Now, the fourth trigger. Intentional listening. This is where most men completely fail. They hear her words, but they don't remember the details, the little things, the emotional hints. But when you do, and you bring it back later, it hits differently. She mentions she loves late night drives. Days later, you say, I noticed you mentioned night drives. Simple, but powerful, because now she feels understood. Not just heard, understood. That's rare, and rare is attractive. Fifth trigger. Calibrated vulnerability. You don't pretend to be perfect, but you also don't dump your problems. You share strategically, you reveal slowly. So when you say something like, I doubt it would have been that easy for me back then, it shows depth. Without weakness, realness, without desperation. And that balance creates trust. Sixth trigger, gradual physical touch. Nothing forced, nothing rushed, just natural. Light, respectful. A touch on the arm during a laugh, a slight pull closer when crossing the street. And paired with your words, I noticed you get quiet in crowds. Now your touch feels intentional. Protective, grounded, not random, and that builds connection. Fast. Now the final trigger. And this is where everything changes. Controlled unpredictability. Humans are addicted to dopamine, to uncertainty, to not knowing exactly what comes next. So when she starts to feel like she understands you, you shift slightly. Not dramatically, just enough. One moment you're playful. Next moment, calm. One moment you tease. Next moment, you pull back. And then you drop it again. I doubt it. But this time, with a smile. Now she doesn't just hear your words. She feels them. Because she can't fully predict you. And unpredictability creates excitement. Excitement creates attraction. Now step back for a second. Do you see what's happening here? It's not about the words alone. It's about what they represent. I noticed. That means awareness, presence, attention. I doubt it. That means challenge, confidence, polarity. Together, they create balance. And balance is magnetic. Most men live on one side. Too nice, too agreeable, too predictable, or too harsh, too dominant, too disconnected. But you become both. Grounded, but playful. Calm, but unpredictable. Present, but selective. And suddenly, you're not chasing her attention. She's responding to yours. That's the shift. That's the level up. And here's what you need to understand next. This isn't about manipulation. These are real tools, not tricks. You use them with respect, with intention. Because attraction without respect never lasts. But attraction with emotional intelligence, that's powerful. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be the best looking guy in the room. You don't need endless lines or scripts. You need strategy. You need awareness. You need control over your energy. And once you have that, everything changes. Your conversations feel different. Your presence feels different. The way she looks at you changes. And the best part, you're not forcing anything. You're just becoming the version of yourself that naturally attracts. That's the real goal, not tricks. Transformation. So next time you're with her, slow down, stay grounded, watch her, listen carefully, and when the moment feels right, say it simply. I noticed. Pause. Let it land. Then later, lean in slightly. Smile and say, I doubt it. Watch what happens. Watch how she reacts. Watch how the energy shifts. Because it will. And once you feel that shift, you'll never go back. You'll understand something most men never do. Attraction isn't about doing more, it's about doing it right. And now you know how. If you're ready to stop chasing and start becoming the man women genuinely desire, subscribe to the Her Emotional Secrets now. Turn on notifications because the next one will shift your reality again.